Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School, home of the Broncos in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. Just got done with another amazing assembly for grades K through 5, students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program here on site in the NPR. And today's focus was perseverance, the sub-theme being having a growth mindset. So this is one of the slides from the presentation, but basically, it's this idea that we're always going to keep improving, right? We're not going to have a fixed mindset where we're just stationary in that comfort zone, which is a dangerous place to be. But we want to keep kind of getting out of there, and that's where growth begins, right? That we know mistakes can be very valuable, that effort and attitude are everything, right? And that any challenge we're going to face, we can always face it with determination. And that's really what the heart moments were from today's program when I shared some stories of students their age that have, been through life-threatening diseases, loss in their family, but still choosing this positive outlook, right? And, it's something that it's not easy, but it's something that if we start to, put our heart back out there, not only can we get that support that we need during those tough times, but hopefully we can touch some hearts in the process, inspire other people, and in turn, we might actually, feel better about ourselves too, right? And so I think that's a huge life lesson to grasp at a young age, to not give up, to not quit, to keep trying, to keep pushing, persisting until success happens, that we're always continuously trying to get better, right? And none of us are perfect, right? But we're gonna keep trying every day to just do our best and know that that's really what counts. And that sometimes when miracles happen, it's just about the moment that you're almost ready to give up. But if you just tried one more time, gave it one more shot, one more chance, then you might actually succeed. And speaking of miracles, I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, right? And so part of this growth mindset too is, yes, we believe in ourselves and we talk kindly to ourselves, right? But we're also doing that towards others too, that we're encouraging them to be their best selves too. And I think that's a huge point, to really try to understand and comprehend, because it's not just all about us, it's about other people around us too. And, to help them up, if they're going through a tough time. And I think the students really did get that today. It was very encouraging to see that they understand this mantra of not giving up and also keeping our head up. I wear this shirt for this assembly too, my positivity, be your best self one as well, but the words are upside down on purpose, says keep your head up. But again, upside down, because if you're looking down feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. If we can create that healthy habit of talking kindly to ourselves, right? It takes 30 days to make or break a habit, but now all of a sudden we can start to step into our real potential and hopefully kind of retrain the brain to know what it is that truly matters. And that's each other, but it's also that self-belief, right? Getting past that self-doubt and overcoming those limiting beliefs or negative beliefs and turning them into positive ones. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see all of you again. I'll be back in May for one last visit this school year. Until then, though, have a great few months. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.